Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I transform my old wash and go into my curly puff, and this is the final result. So what you're going to need is Eco Styler, moisturizer. I'm using my curling enhancing smoothie, a hair tie, a headband, some water, a pick, my Denman brush, and a hand mirror. So starting with my hair tie, I'm just gonna grab my hair and put it up into a loose ponytail, just positioning the ponytail where I want the puff to be. So it doesn't have to be neat. So to start off, I use my spray bottle with just water and I spray down my edges all the way around. Next, you're gonna need oil. I forgot to mention you're gonna need oil. So you do the same with the oil, just put it all around your edges. And then I'm using my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, just a little bit to go around the edges as well. And next I'm gonna add the Eco Styler gel. So next I use the Denman brush to smooth my hair down. Alright, so with the headband, you want to be careful with the part that it actually connects, because I find that my hair gets tangled in that, so I try to put that on my hair last. So in the back, you want to cross it and just slide it up to smooth the hair into the puff. So just guide the ponytail to wherever you want it positioned. And then with that crisscross, just overlap the ponytail. And if you want to make your hair tighter, you can wrap it again, but twice should be enough. If it's a new headband, 2 times should be enough. If it's an old headband, then you can wrap it until your hair feels secure. So if the front, the edges got a little messed up through all of that, just add more gel and brush it down. use your hand mirror and make sure everything is where it needs to be, and then remove the hair tie and fluff your hair as desired. And one tip that I have, if you want your puff to be bigger, you can either use a pick and, you know, pick it out, or before you even put your hair in a curly puff, you can do the blowout that I showed you guys, and I'll put a link to that video at the top. If you blow out your hair and then do the puff should be bigger, so you shouldn't have to use the pick as much. So I'm just gonna pick at the roots a little bit. So I stick the Afro pick like in the middle. I hold the roots and shake it because you don't want to mess up the ponytail. You don't want it to move. So make sure you hold the base and just pull it out a little bit. It's up to you if you want more volume or if you want more definition. So here are my final results. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.